Need quick tips and tricks about making money online? They're here. The stress of a day-to-day job out in the real world can make you crazy. Perhaps you have been wondering about ways to make money through the online world. If you are hoping to supplement your income, or trade your work income for an income online, keep watching this video to learn more. Take paid surveys online if you want to make some extra cash on the side. Market research companies will want to get as much consumer feedback as possible, and these surveys are a great way to do this. Surveys may range anywhere from 5 cents to $20 depending on the type you do. Sell some of the junk that you have around the house on eBay. You do not have to pay to set up an account and can list your product any way that you want. There are many different training sites that you can use to get started the right way on eBay. You can always just search Google for pointers about making money. Your search should yield many results. Find something that is interesting and read reviews about the company before proceeding. Always proceed with caution when joining an online earning opportunity. Remember that who you work for is as important as the work you do. Anyone who is looking for workers who will be happy with working for pennies isn't the kind of employer you want to work under. Look for someone or a company who pays fairly, treats workers well and respects you. Today there are many assistant positions available online. If you are good at office tasks and are technically savvy, you could be a virtual assistant providing office support, telephone or VoIP support and possible customer service. You may need some training to perform these functions, however, a non-profit group called International Virtual Assistants Association can help you get the training and certifications you may need. If you have a blog or website ready to go, think about selling advertising space on it. You will earn money each time one of your visitors stops what they are doing and clicks on the ad. The best way to be successful and earn money with pay-per-click advertising is to have a good website that offers valuable information. This will increase your traffic flow as well as the number of clicks you are getting. Google AdSense is one program that can get you started. As you can see, there are many ways to approach the world of online income. With various streams of income available, you are sure to find one, or two, that can help you with your income needs. Take this information to heart, put it to use and build your own online success story. Student loan.